Let me now talk about the Gestalt approach. In the Gestalt approach, we can solve problems by using reproductive thinking or productive thinking. Reproductive thinking means we are reproducing a previous solution. That is, we are reusing a previous experience to solve a new problem. For example, when I'm in Jaipur and the house gets hot, then I fix an AC and the house becomes cool. When I move to Hyderabad and in summer when the house gets hot, so the easiest way to solve this problem is to use reproductive thinking. I can reuse the same solution. I can reuse my previous experience. So all I need to do is fix an AC and the house will become cool. Whereas in productive thinking, I can look at the problem using a new viewpoint. I can use a new approach by restructuring the problem. If I realize that in Hyderabad, right, my house is on the topmost floor, which means that the reason for the house becoming hot in summer might be because the roof or the ceiling is becoming hot. So instead of using reproductive thinking and fixing an AC, what I do is I get the roof coated with white colored paint or this summer cool coating. So if the roof does not become hot, then the room remains cool. So that way I'm solving a similar problem by using a new approach, by restructuring the problem and looking at it from a new angle. So that is productive thinking. In the Gestalt approach, the reproductive thinking is also called as the algorithmic approach because we will be following a specific series of steps and there will be a predictable outcome. For example, in Jaipur, when it became hot, I used a specific series of steps. I called a shop, they sent an AC, the AC got fixed and the room became cool. Similarly, in Hyderabad, I can follow the same series of steps. I can call a shop, they will send an AC, it will get fixed and the AC will definitely cool the room. So that is a predictable outcome. So that is an algorithmic approach. Whereas in the productive thinking, I was trying to look at the problem in a new way. I was trying to use a new approach. So this is called heuristic approach. Here I'm taking an educated guess. I'm not just randomly thinking about painting the roof. There is some research that I've done. And I'm not going to be using any random color. I want to specifically use white color. So if by getting the roof painted with white color paint or with this summer cool coating, if it becomes cool, then that will become a guide for future situations that I can reuse the same solution in future situations as well. So that is the difference between algorithmic approach and heuristic approach.